our gelato batch machine. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 20 inches. Depth, 25¼ inches. Height with wheels, 51¾ inches. Without the wheels, 47¾ inches. Coming to the top will be the minimum to maximum time gauge, along with the 2 operation power buttons. Right below will be the flip door to pour in your ingredients. The measurements for the top chute will include 8 inches in length, by 4 inches in depth. Coming to the side will be a lever to loosen and release for your main gelato barrel. Measurements for the interior gelato barrel will include 11¼ inches in length by 8½ inches in radius. Door will shut and remain locked with the lever. Above the tray will be a rinse hose along with a rubber mat that's placed inside the tray. Measurements for the tray, we have 15¾ inches by 11 inches in depth. Coming to the side will be the NSF ETL certification along with the schematics for this gelato batch machine. And coming to the back will be the 220 voltage plug that needs to be spliced and harnessed to operate this machine. Also included will be the main tutorial and instruction manual for this batch machine, 3 door gaskets, steel hose, additional breakers, screwdriver, and more. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.